Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. School-age children face greater memory demands than adults. Students with memory deficits may struggle with short-term memory, leading to difficulties in remembering instructions, class discussions, and readings. Short-term memory issues can cause them to forget steps in tasks or math problems. Long-term memory deficits result in difficulty recalling studied information during tests. In the fast-paced world of student life, with an overwhelming amount of information to absorb, enhancing memory becomes crucial for success in exams and coursework. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to boost memory power and improve recall. 1. Don't try to learn everything at once. Multiple study sessions over time are more effective than last-minute cramming. Research shows that students who spread out their study sessions perform better in exams. 2. Organize learning into groups. Grouping related information mirrors how our brains process it. Organize study materials into groups to facilitate better understanding and retention. 3. Read out loud. Reading material aloud helps in better memorization. Group reading sessions in school are encouraged as they enhance understanding and recall. 4. Get plenty of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for learning and memory consolidation. Napping after a lecture can improve information retention. 5. Vary your study routine. Introduce novelty to your study routine to enhance memory. Changing study environments and timings can make studying more effective. 6. Relate new information to existing knowledge. Connect unfamiliar information to what you already know for better retention. Establishing connections improves the likelihood of remembering new information. 7. Use systematic approach for memory improvement. Give directions in multiple formats. Continue to learn or practice a skill or topic after initially mastering it. Use visual images and memory strategies. Use teacher-prepared handouts. Encourage active reading. Write down steps in math problems. Implement retrieval practice. Develop cues for storing information. Introduce new material or cues to students before a lesson or activity. Review material before sleep. 8. Understanding memory in learning. Short-term or working memory has limited capacity. Long-term memory has unlimited capacity and is crucial for learning. Transfer information into long-term memory to reduce short-term memory load. When students transfer information into long-term memory, their short-term memory doesn't have to work so hard, and learning becomes less of a struggle, and students may feel smarter and more confident. To retain information in long-term memory, always try to organize the information. Start by making a clear outline of what you need to remember. Break down big chunks of info into smaller parts. For example, if you're learning a language, group words by categories like animals or household items. If you want to memorize your phone number, try this 484-452-5667 instead of 4844525667. Make associations. Connect new info to stuff you already know. This could be mental images, sounds, smells, or tastes. For instance, picture someone named Sandy walking on a beach to remember her name. Remember a name of the place by associating it something else, like a color or object. Use visual cues. Visual tools like maps, graphs, and pictures are great for learning. They make info easier to understand and recall later. Visual learners find this especially helpful, and it's good for presentations too. Create mnemonics. Mnemonics are tricks to help remember stuff. Use mnemonics like acronyms, rhymes, etc. to remember things. For example, in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Write it down. Writing things out by hand is better for learning than typing. It helps you focus on key info and improves memory recall. So, consider taking notes with pen and paper. Say it out loud. Reading aloud helps you remember things better. Speaking and hearing info reinforces it in your memory. This active involvement is proven to boost memory. Engage in active recall. Test yourself to pull info from memory. Flashcards are perfect for this. It's more effective than just reading or restudying. It's like giving your memory a workout. Rehearse. Practice makes perfect. Repeat info over and over by writing it or saying it aloud. Spacing out practice over time works better than cramming it all at once. To improve the short-term memory, be physically active every day. Stay mentally active. Spend time with others. Stay organized. Sleep well. Eat a healthy diet. And manage chronic health problems. By incorporating these strategies into your study routine, you can optimize your memory power and make learning a more efficient and enjoyable process. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos on psychology and health.